Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join KSI's Discord server in just a few simple steps. Open Discord in your browser and click on the search bar at the top of the window to bring up the Search Suggestions panel. Click the KSI Global link when it appears in the results to load the invite page for that server. Once the invite page loads, click the Accept Invite button to start joining the server. A CAPTCHA verification window pops up asking if you're human. Click the I am human checkbox to confirm and proceed. Discord accepts your response and displays a loading screen with a Did you know tip while it processes your invite in the background. The server finishes loading and takes you to your Discord friends page. Then the KSI Global server opens with the full channel list visible on the left side of your screen. If the Accept Invite button doesn't appear or the page shows an error, the invite link might have expired or the server may have reached its member limit. Try finding an updated link on KSI's social media. You can leave the server at any time by right-clicking the server icon in your server list and selecting Leave Server. Once you're in, check the Rules or Announcements channel first to see if there are any verification steps or roles you need to complete before accessing all the channels. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.